Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a text outline effect in Photoshop. So let's get into the video. So what you have to do is, when you have your project open in Photoshop, you have to go into File, New, and open up your canvas. And now you need to go into the text tool and just click onto the canvas and increase the size a bit. And I'm just gonna change the color to white, and I'm gonna type in outline, and I'm gonna change the font to this font. This font is called as Ozonics, I guess. I'm gonna make this a bit more bigger. It's gonna go into the middle. And now what you have to do is, you see this fill over here, you need to keep it into 0%. And now you need to go into the blending options of your text layer and go into stroke and change the color to white. And the size is your preference. If you put it into 10, it's gonna look like that. If you put it into 1, it's gonna look like that. For me personally, I'm just gonna go with 3. And okay, so that's how you do it. And yeah, that's easy as that. So if you want to have a background behind it, what you have to do is, I'm just gonna search for an image. I usually go into this website over here, unsplash.com, and let me type in landscape. Just gonna take that, and you can download it for free. It's copyright free images, you can just download it. And now I'm just gonna drag it and put it into Photoshop, make it the perfect size, and I'm gonna drag it below the outline thing. And now there you go, you have the outline. Just gonna make it big, there we go. And I'm just gonna give some drop shadow so it looks good. And yeah, that's it for the video. And hope you guys liked it. Like, subscribe, and see ya. Peace. I'm out.
Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?